they're each going to have 2 runs in the course. Fastest time wins our first competitor. He's driving a 1998 GMC from Royal. Give it up for Mr. Todd Payne. Todd Payne of the Royal 98 GMC. He's going to see how quick he can get that GMC around the track. And everyone's going to go, and we'll see if we can beat that time. Looks like our track officials out there confirming that we are in fact ready to go.
You're waving.
Bye.
Oh, I can't wait to do this in a few years. It's going to be the last once I get this truck. Once I get the truck built, it's going to be great.
So I'm going to come out here and join the crew out here for the timing portion of this.
Sponsored by Outlaw Tattoo.
What you like?
Huh? 628 Ing.
Ink, hold on.
What is this? Oh, Ink.
I was going to say.
I know, I was like, what? Well, it looks like a G.
628 Ink.
Yeah, I was confused too, okay?
Drive yourself? Yeah. Want a car?
Okay, it looks like we're just about ready to go up first. Todd Payne in a 98 GMC. Wait for the go-ahead. All right, folks, if you're ready, count them down, Billings. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are off. Tough truck race number 1. Todd Payne in a 98 GMC. He's out of the route. He's going to be the first and second round. We'll see what time he can come in with.
Race cars.
Out of the route.
Looks like Todd Payne, his first time is going to be 16.31 seconds. 16.31 for Todd Payne. Up next, having a 78 Chevy from Billings, Montana. Give it up for Levi Rose. Billings, if you are ready, let's count him down. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are off. Levi Rose, a 78 Chevy, 16.31 the time to beat. And he has cleared the cone. We're going to see what his time is.
Oh, too slow. If I had the Ranger, man, we'd be flying.
Looks like 16.31 the time to beat. His time 16.04.
Watch the race cars.
This guy's gonna fly.
We have a new leader up next from Billings, Montana, driving a 96 Jeep. Steve Dog. Here we go, folks. Count him down. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are off. 16.04 the time to beat, and he's not messing around. I think he's gonna crush it. Oh my goodness! 16.04 the time to beat. Steve Dog of Billings.
A little.
12.87 seconds. He is your leader. Up next from Columbus, sponsored by his wife, driving an 83 Chevy S10, Curtis Rowe. Here we go, Billings, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are off. 12.87 the time to beat. Oh, and he hit that front end pretty hard on that hill. See if you can beat 12.87 seconds. He's across the line. Not sure it was fast enough. We're going to see, though. 13.81. 13.81 up next, driving a 98 GMC from Clearmont, Wyoming. Chris George. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are off. 12.87 the time to beat. He's lost the taillight. He's lost all over. Can he do it? 12.87. Fastest time, 13.47. 0.6 of a second. Up next, German 85 Chevy from Clearmount, Wyoming, Josh Johnson. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're off 12.87, set by Steve. Oh my! Backfiring all over, but he's still going. 12.87 the time to beat.
He could not keep that thing. God, he just could not keep it straight. He broke his headlight.
15.97.
That would be me.
Up next to the 78 GMC from Laurel, Rich Payne. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're off.
Oh, what?
1.87 by Steve Dog. The 96 Jeep is the time to beat. Not sure this one's going to be fast enough.
6288.
We're going to get the official timing on this.
What? What? What?
14.22. Up next, there's 78 Chevy from Billings, Montana. Curtis Keeger. Here we go, count him down.
Bigger truck.
Oh, wait a minute. We got a technical problem over here. We got to get this truck out of the way before we can start. Looks like we're going to need to get him either towed or pushed out.
I think they got enough people to push it.
What do you guys think of Tuff Truck so far? You guys having a good time? You were living in the AAA Roadside Assistance Training Program. They're gone. Okay, get my timers back over here. Are we ready to kick this thing back off? Everybody good? We good, Billings? We ready to go? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are off. Curtis Keeger, 78 Chevy. The hometown boy trying to beat 12.87 seconds. And he's really going to have to put the pedal down. I heard a couple boos from up there.
It's like they just...
18.03. Up next, in a 96 Jeep from Billings, Jimmy Garrison. Here we go in 5, 4, 3. Whoa. Hold on a second. I was getting ahead of myself here. We were ready to go. I saw a girl up there have a beer in her hand and she was all right out. I was looking at her, so.
This guy's way better than...
All right, we're ready, guys. Here comes our timers. We're set. Billings, count him down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 12.87 the time to beat. That was set by this same vehicle, the 96 Jeep. We might have a new leader. It's going to be close.
A new leader, but he's...
Oh, my goodness. 12.87 the time to beat. 13.59 on that one. We are done with round 1. Here we go. Round number 2. 12.87 the time to beat. 98 GMC with Todd Payne of Laurel. Billings in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are off. He had 16.31 on his first attempt. See if he can better that. Looks like he's doing a Okay, so this is going to be Curtis. Yeah, I got the 96 Jeep is supposed to be next.
That's what we'll do.
1, 2, 3.
What's the deal with the truck coming back out?
Yeah, Steve's next. We're going to switch these two out. Don't want to get out of order here.
Yep, that'd be a crime.
Okay, we're going to get this out of the way. Is he going to go again now? These two.
Just chilling in my white little thing. I don't know. Oh, wait, that's yellow. Got my mustache.
Okay, I guess we're going to go and do the... Okay, folks, here we go. Count down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are off. 12.87 is the time to beat. Oh, my! 12.87 the time to beat. 13.06. This right here is your leader at 12.87 seconds from Billings, Montana. Can he beat it? Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're off. 12.87 the time to beat. Not sure who's going to beat it. Wow! What a jump!
Lost something.
12.87 the time to beat. Looks like his time 13.22. So his first time still holds. Alright, up next to the Outlaw Tattoo truck. Gotta wait for this Jeep to get out of the way here. Looks like he is clearing the floor. Here we go, Billings in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 12.87. That's the time we've got to beat. Can it be done? I don't know.
I need to take the corner shot.
Can you confirm the judges here? Looks like his time's going to be 14.32. 14.32.
I can't wait till we get our vehicle.
All right. They're at 12.87, so we're still trying to beat. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're off. It's like, is this our last competitor? No, we got one more coming in, it looks like. 12.87, the time to beat. Guy in the yellow shirt ran pretty quick. 14.72. All right, real quick, they gotta come over here. Jimmy Garrison, right? This car set the record earlier, 12.87. You gonna beat it? This is our last chance.
Yeah.
Don't you think he's gonna do it?
Yeah.
In the crowd behind you, man. Here we go. Count it down, Billings, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He's on. 12.87 the time to beat. I don't think it's gonna happen. But I got into the battery popped out.
What popped up?
Popped his battery out of the front of it. 14.25 seconds. Your winner from Billings, Montana. We got one more? Oh, wait. I'm being told we got one more. We got one more.
I hope this guy likes
The Outlaw Tattoo truck's back. You've got to beat 12.87. seconds flat. We got another one. I thought we were done, but I guess we're not. Let's keep it going all night. You what? Last one, I'm being told. Last one. 12.87 is what we're looking for. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 12.87. Well, good speed on the turn. But I don't think it's enough.
Something wrong in their trucks. Like,